Check azimuth calibration.
Structural integrity checks complete. All systems nominal.
Thermal shielding alignment is within tolerance.
Alignment drift on axis 3. Compensate with feed forward. Engaging micro-correct now.
Offset correction still reads plus 0.8.
NIDE. Reinitialize the gyroscope array before final seal.
Pressure feed line alignment is off by 0.3 degrees. See here?
That's within tolerance, but if we're integrating the secondary chamber tomorrow, we should correct it now.
If the vector shifts during ignition, we lose stability in T45.
Junction B7 still shows impedance variance.
Confirmed. Cross-checking with last cycle's thermal log.
We'll need to reseat the primary bus before clearance.
Initiating protocol Delta.
Thermal calibration stable.
Confirm signal integrity.
Chamber pressure holding at 89%, but we're seeing ripple in the secondary feed.
Adjusting valve timing now. Give me 10 seconds.
Chamber.
Torque set.
Verified.
Primary housing secured.
Confirm alignment on feed line 3, 0 play at the coupling.
Secure and flush. Torque specs met.
Torque verified. Alignment locked.
Still can't believe they fit all that inside one tube. Alignment check at section 4. Thermal plating looks intact. Pressure valve alignment is off by 2 degrees. We'll need to recalibrate.
Navigation drift at 0.3 degrees, correcting now.
Confirmed. Realigning inertial reference frame.
Back on nominal path.
Copy that. Logging correction.
Lateral oscillation remains within tolerance, but we need another cycle on the dampening feedback.
Confirm.
Initiate secondary calibration when hydraulics stabilize.
Sensors go. All green. Confirmed. Final check complete. We are go for integration.
Alignment check passed on segment 4. Let's confirm fuel line seals before rotation.
Pressure nominal. Proceed to seal.
Seal confirmed. We're go for encapsulation.
接缝处有轻微错位，需复测。
Logging it for QA.
Signal integrity remains within tolerance.
All systems holding.
All systems nominal.
Propellant flow stable.
We're ready for ignition sequence.
Verification go. Initiating pre-fire check.
Initiating low power cycle.
All parameters nominal.
We're green across all nodes.
Thrust vector held steady. No oscillation.
Thermal margins still within spec. No adjustments logged.
Seal integrity confirmed at segment 5.
Thermal shielding check passed. We're green across the board.